All right, super quick. Just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware. PPI report came out. Again, expectation was 2.5% was the forecast. Previous was 2.4. We came in at 3.3% overall PPI. Absolutely insane. And then core PPI expectation was a 0.2% increase. We saw a 0.9. Expectation was 2.9 from 2.6. We saw a 3.7. This is something that, again, the market's not going to be able to ignore. One of the things that I want to remind you is a comment that we got in today's group chat was, well, why is it that core or CPI came in very close or lower than what was expected, but PPI didn't? I want to remind you, PPI is on the producing side of things. PPI is known as a forecast of inflation gets passed down to the producer first, and then that gets passed down to the consumer. So it always hits producers first, which then gets passed down to consumers. So if this is anything to hint that it's going to get passed down to consumers, then this is a huge concern for the overall market. So we'll see how the Federal Reserve reacts. But I think one of the biggest reasons that the market's reacting the way that it is, when they pull it up, Fed rate monitor. Remember, yesterday I made a video about a 98% probability that the Federal Reserve was going to cut rates. This can drastically change. But it still looks incredibly high. Still looks like a 99.4% probability. So we'll see if this changes the overall sentiment for the Federal Reserve. Remember, the Federal Reserve has a 2% target for inflation. And with this inflation report coming in the way that it did, this is showing that we are working away from that 2% target, not towards it. So just want to make sure that you're aware of why it is that we're seeing so much selling pressure, and it's something that they're just not going to be able to ignore. This isn't a slight miss. This is a huge miss, the biggest that we've seen in the last 12 months. It's going to be very interesting to see